Hello, Eira. I found this device that I used to use in middle and high school. It's quite an old device. It's a data collection device, and I have a sensor on here. This is a turbidity meter, and it's very useful for measuring water quality. It's not a professional grade instrument. It's just educational grade, and here's how you use it. You would take this kit to the lake, and you would take some samples of water in different spots, right? There are some lids here, and there are some empty vials. You wouldn't do anything with this vial. This vial is special, and I'll tell you why in a moment. And there's another vial that's special. I dropped it. This vial is also special, okay? So these two special vials you would use to calibrate the turbidity sensor. Turbidimeter. So turbidity is how cloudy the water is, and it is a measure of water quality. This sensor needs to be calibrated, and let me show you how to do that. You cannot take this to the lake because it needs to be plugged in. Long time ago, it used to run on batteries, which would be behind this screwed in door, but the batteries have died a long time ago. So it only works when it's plugged into power from like your wall at home or something, you know? So you would collect the samples, and then here's how you would calibrate. So you just plug this in here. There's a certain way it goes, you know? It can't go the other way. It has to go in this way because you'll see. It's impossible to plug this in wrong because it just isn't fit. So now I have connected the... Have I connected it? Yeah, I have connected the turbidity meter, and I'm going to move these cursors to the meter function there, and press the check mark. And this is a turbidity meter in NTU. NTU is a turbidity unit. I'm not sure what the N stands for. There are some instructions on how to use it, and they are included with the box. And they will tell you what the turbidity unit is, but they don't tell you why that is the turbidity unit. Anyways, you have to wipe this so that there are no fingerprints. This is just distilled water, and then you put it so that the arrow is pointing at this screw, and then you close it. This is to calibrate the machine. And then you press this button and wait for the green light. See, that's a green light, that's good. And then when it starts to blink, then you put the other one in. This has turbidity of 0 NTU. And we're just telling the machine what 0 NTU looks like, right? Now this, where's the other one? Where's the other? Here it is. This is 100 NTU. You gotta wipe your fingerprints and dust off of this, and then put it so that the arrow is pointing at the screw. You close this, and then while this is still blinking, you push it. Good. Now it knows that this is 100 NTU. The machine is not professional grade, so 98.1 is equivalent to 100 on this machine. So there is some drift, okay? But that's how you calibrate it. Once you have calibrated it, you can take the sample that you got from the lake and put it in there, and close it, and then you'll just see what the turbidity is. Now, some of these vials have very old samples from very old ponds. I'm not sure what we did with this last, but you can just empty all these vials and rinse them several times with distilled water, or just with, bottled water, filtered water, and that will be fine, as long as the vial is dry when you collect your sample. Because if it's not dry, then you will have diluted your sample with pure water, and that will make the turbidity deflated. Okay, and that's it. This machine is very robust. I don't think you can break it. Even if you do break it, it's okay. We have several more. There is a way to turn it on and a way to turn it off, but you don't have to do that. You can just unplug it to turn it off. Okay, and I will look for the ion selective electrodes a little bit longer, but I don't have any confidence that I'll find it. I also have a thermocline device that you can just dump into the lake. It's a heavy ball, and then you plug it into this data collection device, and it tells you how deep the lake is. But can't find that either. Sorry about that. Maybe in the future, if you do another such project, maybe I'll have it at that time. Bye.